We have a group of leaders who, for some reason, believe that violence is the way you acquire prominence and is the way you acquire dominance. So you walk to a place, you beat up presiding officers, you slap people as a way of showing how strong and important you are. We are beyond talking on this particular issue. And we have agreed this morning, I have convened a meeting of all the law enforcement agencies. We are going to act. I've asked the Firearm Licensing and Control Board to suspend all licenses of all the people involved, the leaders who were involved in that violence yesterday, because it's clear under the law you cannot own a firearm when you are that type of person. We will now go to court ourselves, and the Honorable Attorney General has advised me, as government, we can actually go to court, invoke Chapter 6, and ask that some people be declared unfit to hold public office.